In this video, we're going to add an animation to an image using CSS in system.io. So let's jump on in. We're going to be adding the animation to the image by using CSS code. So in system.io, if you want to add a CSS code, you're going to have to add a raw HTML element. Just drag this raw HTML element and drop it into the funnel. I'm not doing it now because I've already done that. So once you've dragged the raw HTML element and dropped it here, just click on that specific raw HTML element. And you will have to click on this edit code, which opens the code editor window, and delete whatever code is inside, and you're going to drop in this code. Now, if you want this code and more such CSS codes, you can join my free community by heading to the link that you see on the screen. You'll also find this link in the description. So if you're not already part of my free community, join my community now. So this is the free community that I'm talking about, and once you join in, you can go through the featured posts and then head over to the learning tab where all the free resources are located. So in this case, you will find other CSS codes for system.io inside this thing which says free CSS bundle for SIO. You can click on it and go through the different codes. So this is a growing library, so be sure to check back in as new content drops in regularly. Now back in this window, now in this code, we need the CSS ID. So let's go and grab the CSS ID and come back in here again. So this is the image that we are going to add the animation to. So let's click on this image. And once the properties for the image opens up on the left-hand pane, let's scroll all the way down until we come to this HTML attributes. And let's copy this ID attribute. Let's just click on this to copy it. Let's again navigate our way back to the code editor. And in the code editor, let's replace this CSS ID with the ID that we got, but we need to prefix it with a hash symbol. So I've added a hash symbol, I've added the CSS ID. Now I'm going to hit on save. I'm going to save changes to the entire funnel, and I'm going to click on preview, which will load up my preview. So let me close this. And now if you see when I hover my mouse over the image, it has an animation effect. So this is how you're going to be adding animation using CSS in system.io. If you like this video, do hit the like button and subscribe to get more such content. Bye-bye.